Nothing says holiday cheer like the charm of a gingerbread house. Gingerbread House Christmas Decor takes that sweet, whimsical feeling and spreads it all over your home. With candy colors, cookie textures, and cozy details, this theme feels like stepping inside a winter bakery. Let's explore how to bring gingerbread magic into every corner this season. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Can I bring the theme into the kitchen? Definitely. Display gingerbread jars, cookie tins, and candy-striped mugs. Hang gingerbread ornaments or towels for a space that feels festive and delicious. Kitchen of candy dreams? Like this if your cooking space feels magical. Can I add real gingerbread houses to decor? Yes. Display homemade or store-bought houses on mantles, tables, or shelves. Place them on trays with faux snow and candy props for a magical scene. Gingerbread goals? Like this if your creations double as decor. How do I begin decorating with a gingerbread theme? Start with a warm palette of browns, whites, and candy-inspired colors like red, pink, and green. Use textures that mimic icing, cookies, and sweets to set the mood. Sweet start? Like this if your home is ready for gingerbread cheer. How do I keep the theme balanced? Use candy accents throughout, but avoid overloading. Balance with neutrals like white or wood tones so the decor feels playful, yet not overwhelming. Balanced and bright? Like this if your home feels sweet but stylish. How do I style a gingerbread mantle? Layer faux candy garlands, gingerbread figurines, and cookie ornaments. Add twinkling lights, frosted greenery, and stockings trimmed with candy accents. Mantle magic? Like this if your fireplace feels bakery bright. What Christmas tree fits this look best? Choose a green, flocked, or even pink tree. Decorate with candy canes, faux cookies, gumdrop garlands, and gingerbread ornaments for a fun, festive display. Tree of treats, like this if yours looks sweet enough to eat. What DIY crafts can I try? Make salt dough cookie ornaments, felt gingerbread men, or candy garlands. Hand-painted wood cutouts shaped like houses also add handmade charm. Crafting sweetness? Like this if your DIYs add flavor to the season. What kind of wreath suits gingerbread decor? Make or buy a wreath with faux cookies, candy canes, and peppermint swirls. Add icing like white ribbon and gumdrop accents for a playful, sugary welcome. Doorway of delight? Like this if your wreath is candy-coated. What lighting enhances gingerbread decor? Use warm white lights for a cozy glow. Add candy-shaped light strings, gingerbread lanterns, or houses with lit windows for a magical nighttime effect. Glowing with charm? Like this if your lights twinkle with sweetness. What outdoor decorations work best? Use oversized candy canes, peppermint yard stakes, and gingerbread house inflatables. Add pathway lights shaped like gumdrops for a fun, welcoming yard. Yard full of sweets? Like this if your outdoors looks Candyland ready. What stockings match the theme? Choose stockings with cookie prints, candy trims, or gingerbread appliques. Add faux icing details and personalize them with stitched or glittery names. Stockings sweetened? Like this if your fireplace is candy chic. What table decor matches the theme? Use a red or candy-striped runner, gingerbread-shaped plates, and cookie-scented candles. Add a gingerbread house centerpiece to complete the tablescape. Table set with sweets? Like this if your dining looks deliciously festive. Gingerbread House Christmas Decor is whimsical, cozy, and full of joy. With candy details, cookie textures, and handmade touches, your home becomes a holiday bakery of memories. Celebrate the season with decor that's sweet, festive, and full of charm. Inspired by gingerbread magic? Like and check back for more festive ideas.